Agriculture is the backbone of Ethiopia's economy. Coffee and fruit cultivation are national priorities. In the Jimma zone, many smallholder farmers have relied on uncertified planting materials, leading to lower productivity and inconsistent harvests. To address this challenge, the Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency, TICA, in partnership with Jimma University, established a modern seedling greenhouse under the Ethiopia Fruit Cultivation Support Project. The greenhouse is designed to produce high-quality certified coffee, avocado, and multi-purpose fruit seedlings using modern propagation and grafting techniques. Each year, the facility will produce approximately 20,000 improved coffee, avocado, and other fruit seedlings.
We have sown the seedling of the coffee, and as you have seen, we are multiplying a lot of thousands of coffee seedlings. With this, I think I would like to thank Turkish Cooperation and Developmental Agency for their collaboration and strong support.
Beyond seedling production, the greenhouse serves as a practical center for education, research, and technology transfer.
ይሄ ሼድ ከተሰራ በኋላ እንደ ማህበረሰብ እንደ አካባቢ ብዙ ጥቅም አግኝተናል። ብዙ አይነት ቡና ምርቶችን እናመርታለን። ይሄ ሼድ ስለተሰራ ቲካንና ቱርክ እንትኖችን ማመስገን እንፈልጋለን።
Through this partnership, TICA and Jimma University are improving access to quality planting materials, strengthening local agricultural capacity, and supporting sustainable rural development. Together, they are helping farming communities across the Jimma region and beyond build a more productive and resilient agricultural future.